The Avocado Green Mattress is an eco-friendly latex hybrid built with organic cotton, organic wool, and natural latex over supportive zone coils. I tested the firm model, which felt about a 7/5 firmer than average, very bouncy and responsive. So you sleep more on top of the bed rather than sinking in. It's excellent for back and stomach sleepers, especially heavier folks who need strong support, but too firm for most side sleepers who may prefer the medium or plush versions for better pressure relief. Motion isolation isn't great since latex doesn't absorb movement as well as memory foam, so couples may feel each other moving. On the plus side, it's breathable, cool sleeping, highly durable, and uses certified organic, non toxic materials. Pricing starts around $1,800 for a queen, going up to $3,200 for the plushest version. But it comes with a 1 year trial, 25-year warranty, and free shipping. Overall, it's a fantastic long term investment for eco conscious hot sleepers who like a firmer, bouncier mattress, but not the best fit if you're on a budget or love that slow sinking memory foam feel. Do your own research.